Snow falls softly outside a warm living room. A Christmas tree glows, ornaments clink, a fireplace crackles, and a golden retriever runs into frame wearing a red ribbon as music swells. That entire Christmas-style commercial was created from a single prompt. No camera, no timeline, no sound design, no editing marathon. Just one idea turned into a finished cinematic moment. That's what short form demands now. You have seconds to hook, emotion to land, and visuals and sound that feel intentional. PixVerse V5.5 is built for exactly that. Now, before generating the actual video, here's what makes the entire workflow even stronger right now. PixVerse integrates directly with Nano Pro. You can start by generating a high-quality cinematic image first. Think of a cozy Christmas living room, warm lights, snowfall outside the window, shallow depth of field, perfect composition as I just explained, and made the scene happen. One clean image that sets the entire mood. Then you take that nano-generated image and turn it directly into a full multi-shot Christmas story inside PixVerse V5.5. Same characters, same atmosphere, but now it moves, cuts, and sounds alive. Nano gives you the visual foundation. PixVerse turns it into cinema. We all know that short form video today is brutal. You need to hook in seconds, move the camera like a real DP, hit the emotional beats, and make the sound feel alive. Now, for years, that meant timelines, layers, plugins, and long nights in an editor. PixVerse V5.5 tries to kill all of that. You describe the story, hit generate, and it handles visuals, camera, sounds, and now full multi-shot storytelling in one go. So let's dive straight into it. So, what's new about PixVerse 5.5? This update is the real jump. You still get up to 10 seconds video per session, but it's what happens inside those 10 seconds that matters. First, audio. Old versions could fill some background ambience. V5.5 builds full cinematic sound. Dialogue, ambient layers, spatial depth, left and right separation, and sound that creates and reacts to camera movement. A whisper, footsteps, a spray sound, city noise, even emotional music rises and falls with the shot. Then comes multi-shot. Before, you got one angle. Now you can write prompts that read like an edit list. Close up, cut to wide, cut to tracking, cut to reaction. The system analyzes context and builds a sequence that actually feels like a story. Think of a perfume ad. Hand with the bottle, voiceover, spray sound, rooftop walk, hero shot. It layers the synth, the voice, the ambiance, the spray, all in one pass. Or take a typical Christmas case study. I wanted a cozy holiday commercial. I wrote a simple prompt. Snow falling outside a warm living room. A kid decorating a tree. Cut to a close-up of ornaments clinking, cut to a wide of the family laughing as a golden retriever runs in wearing Christmas ribbon. V5.5 generated the jingle bell ambiance, soft fireplace crackle, child narration, and smooth angles changes. It felt like a polished holiday microfilm made by a full crew. You can also go wild with urban shots. A fox mascot rapping on a cold night, camera drifting, vocals on beat, city noise wrapped around you. Or a calm morning dock with skyline, street bustle, pedestrians, birds, and wind, all tied together by natural pacing. Now, what makes this work is the huge upgrade under the hood. Motion and anatomy are more realistic. Animals move naturally, sports shots show real impact and tension, parkour and POV runs feel physically consistent. Cinematic detail is sharper. Skin, cloth, metal, shadows, lighting, hair, accessories, and motion blur all hold up better. Spatial logic is smarter, objects interact more cleanly, and camera transitions feel intentional. Now, all the usual tools are still here, so don't worry. Swap for social face and subject swaps, templates for viral formats, fusion to blend subjects, transitions for TikToks and Reels, camera controls when you want a specific cinematic move. Now, it's not perfect. You can still hit a fast camera swing or a slightly odd line delivery if the prompt is vague. And if you love frame-perfect time control, the one-pass generation might feel different. But for most creators, getting a full audiovisual story with almost no effort is a massive win. Now, if you work with AI or short-form content, or you just want to feel what one-prompt storytelling is like, try PixVerse V5.5. Test the audio, try the multi-shot, experiment with holiday scenes, and see how far you can push it. If you love AI tools and creative workflows, hit subscribe and stick around for more deep dives. Thank you all for watching this video today. Happy holidays, and I'll see you all in the next one.